I'm Kaypee, and this is Kaypee Does a Thing. Hi, I'm Kaypee, and on today's Kaypee Does a Thing, we're building this Star Wars Lego set. It's the Imperial TIE Fighter. Now, I've never built one of these before, so it's going to be really fun. It's for ages 9 to 14. I'm a little outside that range, but I act like I'm 9 to 14 on most days, so I'm not truly a liar. It's number 75211. I have absolutely no clue what that means. And it's got 519 pieces, which the guy at the Lego store said is just enough to have a little bit of fun with it. There's not too many pieces to where I'm doing it all day, which is good because I don't have a lot of patience. So, let's get started. Now, I used a knife, but if you're a kid, please ask your parents before using sharp objects. If you're like me and you just act like a kid, you might still want to ask your parents before using sharp objects. I've got all of my pieces laid out. I've got my notebook. So let's build. He's got two guns, because one gun isn't enough. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew. I have a fun project for you after you're done watching this video. Go onto Word or go onto your phone and pretend you're going to message someone and type out LOL. Now look at that and tell me that doesn't look like a TIE fighter. Every time I see it, I think TIE fighter, even though I know it says LOL. So I've actually stopped using LOL completely. I only go to haha now because of the TIE fighter thing. Well, here it is in all its fully built glory, the Imperial TIE Fighter. It's got a really cool cockpit in it. You can put a little Lego man in there if you want to, or you don't have to. It's, your fun. I put my little Lego man in there, and then I close it all up. Well, that's it. I've built it. It took about an hour and a half, maybe a little bit longer or shorter. I wasn't really paying attention. But look at this neat thing. I'm going to try and do it without breaking anything. Pew! Oh, you'll shoot your eye out, kid. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kaypee Does a Thing. And if you want to see me do more things, go ahead and click the subscribe button. There'll be a new video up every Thursday, so I hope to see you next Thursday. Bye! Hey y'all! I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And if you want, please share this video with people you like and who would like this video too.